We have never made it before, ever. And this is my grandson, Chucky.
And this is my grandmother, Granny Betty.
Yes. And what we're doing, Chucky sits around and he comes up with all of these things for us to try. So we're trying s'mores pie. We're going to kind of do a little changing around of the recipe because some of the things we just don't need to do. But we're going to get started. And I think I'm going to like it. You think you're going to like it?
Yes.
Me too. Okay, the first thing we got to do is we need to wash this pan out. Now, while I'm washing the pan out, Chucky, you can be opening the crackers because we have to make a graham cracker crust. And we're going to open this. You can put your crackers in there, the whole pack of crackers, okay?
Okay.
You're going to open that, and then you're going to roll them up, get them real nice and crunchy and small, and then we'll put them in here. Okay. I'm going to do some butter, just pop it in the microwave. I just eyeball stuff. I don't really measure. If I need some more, I'll melt some more. But I'm just going to put this in the microwave. And the one thing about melting butter in a microwave, if you're not careful, this stuff will splatter all over the microwave and make a big mess. So I usually try to cover with some paper towels. Can you see it? And I cover with some paper towels so it doesn't make a big mess. But it just pops and pops. And most people might put it in they might even use a little pot, this is a throwaway, so you don't want to put, you want to do as little work as possible. See, this is a big, giant thing of Hershey's cocoa. Nobody needs, unless you are a professional baker. So we only need, I think, 2/3 of a cup. Once you do that, this stuff will, unless you're going to make cocoa, now that would be good. To make some cocoa and some milk and all that. I used to do that as a little kid. That's what we did because we didn't have all this instant stuff. We had to make cocoa and all of this stuff. But, it is really melted and hot. Whoa. That cool for me because that'll take your fingers up. You don't want to do that. But yeah, when I was a kid, we had to actually, you want some hot cocoa? You made it. You didn't have something just pop in a thing and pop it in the microwave. You had to get the sugar and the cocoa and the milk. It was delicious though. It was yummo delicious. So we're using the cocoa, but like I said, you don't need a lot of it. So it'll last. This will last for use the expiration date. Once the expiration date is on there, just toss it out. Because it doesn't taste it. It won't be strong, but it's good. Check it, that's great. Now we gotta see if this butter's cooled off enough to now we're gonna just put the we're just gonna open this up and dump it in here. Oh, shucks, that is really nice. You did a wonderful job.
Thank you, Granny.
You did. Yeah. Maybe someone wants to them all out. And we can use this for our little trash bag, a little garbage bag if we need it. I don't know if we're going to have a lot of stuff to go in there, but we can use it.
Yeah, that's what we about to need.
Yeah, we can need it. Okay, let's see here. This looks really hot. And we just, the recipe was saying to put this in a 1/3 cup of sugar, and I just put the butter in there and mix it up, and that's the pack crust. Now that's what I do, but if you want to follow the recipe, and I'm not even telling you the recipe, Chucky got it off of YouTube. I just mix it up real good and make sure the crackers are all moist from the butter. I don't like margarine. I use real butter. The cholesterol and all of that stuff. That's what I like. And it tastes better. You get all that hydrogenated stuff, and it's just nasty tasting, and it's not really, this is much better for you than the all that other stuff, and I can't believe it's not butter. I can testify it's not butter. That stuff is so nasty, and the minute you try to use it, you will know it's not butter too. Do you know you can smell butter? When you're heating up your butter, you can smell it, and it just smells so good. That other stuff has no flavor to it. It's nasty, very nasty. So don't mess with your stuff using all that stuff. Just cut out something else like smoking and drinking and cussing, and cut all that out. And then you live a long life. But don't stamp on your food. That's your pie crust. Okay, in the saucepan, I'm going to do a half a cup, which is a stick. See, it says half a cup there, so that's the whole stick. We're going to do that. We're going to put all our stuff in there. Okay, you're my assistant, so you're going to put that in our trash bag. We're going to do 2 cups of butter. Put this on here. Chucky, while I'm doing this, can you get the can opener over here?
I'll get it.
Thank you. We need 2 cups of sugar. I hope this is 2 cups. Ooh, I hope it's 2 cups. It should be. Oh, I hope it is. I thought I had bought more. Okay, thank you. Two cups. Please be a whole cup. Please be a whole cup. Yep. Well, that was scary. We made it.
Scary.
We made it, though, Chucky. We made it. You know, nobody uses a lot of sugar anymore. Okay, that's good. That's 2 cups.
I think that'll be enough.
Yeah, that's all we need, just 2 cups. And then we need 2/3. We get my little, I get the fan here, that's 1/3. So we gotta do that twice. The chips. They didn't have Toll House, so we had to get Ghirardelli. Very good. They didn't even have just plain milk chocolate. They mix it with other stuff now. This is a 1/3 cup of chips, so I gotta do 2 of these. You want to taste one?
Yes.
Okay. That's a 1/3. Where'd that hand come from? I can't believe that. Uh-oh, they're falling. Okay. Help yourself from on the counter there. This is real good milk chocolate. Isn't that good? Lynn, you're supposed to be working. Give her one of those, Chucky. She's trying to eat up all the chips. They are. Can you imagine these in a chocolate chip cookies? Oh my God, they'd be delicious. Okay, that's 1/3. I gotta do 2/3. All those years in school, you know, who needs fractions? Well, guess what? I didn't learn nothing in high school, but I learned along in life's journey, you need fractions. Because now you have to double up, so that makes 2/3. Okay. So I got the chips in. What else I got? Now I gotta put stuff under so if it spills, and you can take the whole little thing and go dump that in there. Okay, I gotta have a half a. Where's my spoon? I have another spoon there. I gotta have a half a cup of cocoa. Bubbling up. It's cooking real good. I'm gonna let it cook for just a few minutes, and then I'm gonna have to pull it off and let it cool before I put a teaspoon of vanilla in there. Once it do that, then I can add it to the pie filling. Add it to the crust, and then I'll pop it in the refrigerator. See, you can see it. Can you see it's getting thick now a little bit? And I'm putting a teaspoon and a few drops over. Oh, you can put that on there for me. Just mix it up. I'm going to have to still let it sit just for maybe a couple of minutes and let it cool before I add to them. Can you see it though?
Yes.
Yum. Oh, woo.
It looks good.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think we better stop before it's running out the pan. This would be like a pudding. Okay.
Okay.
And go with some vanilla ice cream.
Mm-hmm. Isn't that good?
It's good.
Okay.
Melted chocolate.
Melted chocolate. Now we just put it in the refrigerator. It has to sit in here. I'm saying probably a couple of hours till it firms up real good. Okay, that's the end of our pie. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I know we will. Bye.